the one night I came home from the courthouse, because I was full-time DA. I was exhausted. I came down, and there's the youngest one, and she's putting this beautiful dress on the Barbie doll. I said, "Oh, Riesel, Barbie's getting all dressed up." It's like an Oscar de la Renta thing. "Barbie's getting all dressed up. Where's she going tonight?" Without a hitch, the 6-year-old says, "Well, Barbie had grand jury today, and tonight she's got to go to a Democratic fundraiser." Oh my God. Ooh, the things they hear. I suspect if the governor and I sat down and had a beer, we'd agree on a lot of things, frankly. We just won't be drinking Chardonnay and eating brie and watching Downton Abbey. I guarantee it. I wouldn't. First time I met with him when I became Attorney General, this last time, 2 years ago, I gave him my card with my cell phone on it, and I said, "Please, if there's anything that bothers you, if there's any issue about something I'm doing or my office is doing, please give me a call. Talk to me first." And I also told him that, as he knew, the AG can wear different hats, that sometimes we'd agree on things. A lot of the time we would agree on things, but sometimes we wouldn't. And I told him that if I should agree with him or take a different public policy stance than he on any particular issue, that I would let him know in advance. And to me, the job is exciting, and I love it, because there is this interesting mix of law, which I love, litigation and law, and some public policy, and some flavor of politics. Because you're involved in politics because you're elected by the legislature, so you can't ignore them. You can't ignore the people who are running for the legislature. You want to get to know them and have a relationship with them, and there are a lot of good people over there. I got a tripartisan vote when I was elected in December. It wasn't just the Democrats who elected me. Case law is that the Attorney General does have some degree of autonomy. You're not an attorney for hire. Some people may think, well, if I want legal advice from an attorney, I should just be able to call up an attorney and ask them to do something I want them to do. And in private practice, I was in private practice for many years, people come in the door, they want you to do something. You give them your best legal advice, and you try to achieve the result they want. That's not the job of the Attorney General entirely. You do try to achieve the goals of the departments and agencies. I also want to keep them out of court as best I can. I want to keep the state from being sued, because it's usually it's a financial burden, it's a time constraints thing. Why would you want to get sued if you can avoid being sued by revising a rule this way or that way, or changing something you're doing so that you're not going to invite a lawsuit?